Hi everyone. Well, we're coming up on Valentine's Day, and I know this is not a traditional color, but a friend of mine's birthstone is that color. So I thought maybe I'd make a pair. And let's get started. I'm going to take a green heart. I don't think it's adventuring, but I'm not sure what kind of, I don't know, probably agate or something, I don't know. And we're going to take 3 of these for this one. So I'm going to put one here, a spacer in between it, and then the bead. A spacer. A bead. A spacer. And a bead. Those have been electroplated, it looks like. And we'll do the same on the other one. Put our heart. Oops, I forgot the spacer. Spacer. And you don't have to use spacers if you don't want to. You can use any color beads you want to. Oops. Any color beads, and make it your own. That's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna make a couple different kinds, so I've got some different heart colors, and I thought it'd be cool for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or something. Just wrap it around like that. Allow for your wrap. You have a little space there. This wire on this one is soft enough I can move it with my fingers. And it came out of the same pack. Whenever they wrap that easy, you about need to wrap them like that because you're going to pull them out. Cut it as close as you can. But be careful of the bead. Be careful of your other wires. And if you get it a little bit cut, then you can finish it. Whenever you get right here next to this bead, be real careful, because it is so easy to break that top bead. Alright, make sure I ain't running out of time, because my battery, they don't hold up long. Yeah, if they all wrapped like this, that is some thin wire. And I just did another. They must have mixed them at the factory or something, or maybe I mixed them up. That wire, it bends good. backing off a little bit. I think my pliers have made my fingers dirty. Alright, now let's tighten it up a little bit. Alright. Let's take the two gold ones. These open on the back. So all you do is you twist it open. And you take it and you slide it on. And these little hearts will not stay facing front, so they're going to twist around. The only way you can stop that is use wire and wrap it or go across it. So that'd be about the only way you can keep it in place, is wire wrap it where to hold it in the front. Twist it open. Hold the little spring back. Put it on. And I like to put it on where the wrap is at the front and not the back. That's just me. I like them both to look the same, so I hang it like that. Oops, I slipped off. And then we go back, make sure they're together, make sure it ain't going to come off, and then we're done. It's a darker green, but yeah. There's our green Valentine's earrings. A little unusual, but you know, not everybody likes red. And these are a friend of mine's birthstones, so y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day if you celebrate. And if not, y'all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next one. And until then, like and subscribe. It helps me out. And thank you for watching to the end. And until next time, bye-bye.